All right. Hey, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning back in to another DOY Creations video. I am Jeanette, aka Sarayah. And before I get started, I always like to give glory, honor, and praise to our Heavenly Father. All right, you guys, in case you missed yesterday's video, I was doing a crochet outfit of the day, and I wanted to showcase my Easy J shawl. Okay, so with the Easy J shawl, I'm going to leave the link in my description box below so you guys can see how I am modeling, uh, modeling the Easy J shawl. So these were the two Easy J shawls that I shared with you guys on yesterday, but I forgot to mention I do sell these Easy J shawls. However, I do have a tutorial on how to make the Easy J shawls. I didn't mention that yesterday, so I wanted to come by today and make sure that I leave that link because I got that in the comment yesterday. Is there a tutorial for the Easy J shawl? And the answer is absolutely yes. So if you missed that video on yesterday where I am, showcasing 3 to 4, I think I had 3 or 4 different ways how to wear the Easy J shawls, because sometimes we think that everybody knows how to wear those asymmetric type of shawls. If you got a regular shawl, you just throwing them on your shoulder and both of them have equal length. It's an equal size. But when you're dealing with these type of shawls, it comes in skinny and goes out fat, or starts small and goes out wide. And so a lot of people probably get a little confused onto how to wear the Easy J shawls or any of those types of shawls. It's so many different asymmetric types of shawls out there. But I showcased it yesterday how to wear these, and it's beautiful the ways that I share with you guys. So I want you guys to click on the video down below and check out how I am wearing the shawls. And also, if you would like to make one of the Easy J shawls, the tutorial link will be linked in the description box below. Make sure that if you are also I will be coming back, because I shared with you guys in that video on yesterday where I said I had a lot of more shawls that I would like to share with you guys. So I will be coming back today to share with you guys the other shawls that I have, because they're absolutely beautiful. But you will see the difference with my shawls and the shawls that I have, because the other shawls that I have, I follow tutorials. I'm hoping that I'm able to let you guys know who tutorials I follow. That probably be an assignment for me today. Oh my goodness, I'm giving myself an assignment. So anyway, guys, check out the video on yesterday. I'll leave the link down below for the Easy J shawls, how I wear them. It's crochet outfit of the day. And also, if you like to make one, the tutorial will be down there. If you like to purchase one, my website link will be in the description box below. I only have these two, but my Etsy shop will be in the description box below. I also wanted to stop by to share with you guys, I do now have a Facebook group, okay, where you can show your crochet and knitting projects. If you got a crochet along going on, like I have one, I have the hashtag crochet circular scrap blanket going on. So you get to share in our Facebook group. It is our Facebook group where we get to share our craft. It's DOY Creations. A lot of people I've already invited, but I got so many invites that I was able to do before Facebook put me on timeout. So I got to go back on Facebook and try to get more people invited. But the invite is extended here. DOY Creations, if you like to join the Facebook group to share your work, share what you're working on, let us know about sales, different things like that. Keep it positive and keep it kosher. All right, guys, I just wanted to stop in today to share that with you guys. Check out the links below. Have a wonderful and blessed day, whether it is morning, afternoon, or evening, where you at. Enjoy your day. All right, until next video, always remember, y'all, Psalm 68:4 in your King James Version. Always keep your life and your health in check. And I'll see you guys later today. All right, bye, guys.